How to get super high score in Block Blast. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys few tips and tricks which will help you get super high score in your Block Blast. So let's get started. First things first, the more you play, the more you improve. So keep on playing the game and make sure that you do not leave tiny spaces like I did right here. Now just fill up the spaces, and more lines you eliminate at once, the greater points you get. So make sure that you try to fill in these gaps here, and make sure that you just get uh, you know higher scores every time you do so by targeting multiple lines here. Now let me do this here first, and what I'll do is I'll try to get this whole section. Now to do that, I'll do this. I'll just keep filling up these right here. Now as you can see right here, I did a combo 8, and I can set it up more if I'd like to. So just keep on filling these tiny spaces. Don't leave any spaces now like I did there. Now let me just take these out. So all you got to do is repeat these same processes until you get the points that you want. So eliminate as much as possible. Make sure that you leave enough space in the middle, and that will allow you to add more bigger blocks in the middle. So yeah, that is basically how you get super high score in Block Blast. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.